It doesn't sound like it's much, you guys, but it is. It is delicious. It's flavorful.
So live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a 3-day detox cleansing, you guys. 3-day detox cleansing, you guys. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, this is what you're going to need for your 3-day detox cleansing. Drink 3 of these per day. For dinner, you have your salad, as I call it. It's not much of a salad, but hey, put no sauce on it. This is a great detox. Along with, I promise you, you're going to thank me later. Your body is going to feel so good. Your belly gonna feel good. Your gut is gonna feel good. Perfect way to cleanse your body out, you guys. I will have the ingredients for this down in the description, as well as the salad with no dressing. This is only lettuce, pickles, avocado, and onions, and paprika. No, I'm sorry, cayenne pepper, not paprika. This is all you need, you guys. And I promise you, if you drink 3 of these, you guys, and eat this, you're going to be full for the whole day. The first day that I started my detox cleansing, you guys, I wasn't even hungry. I drank 1 of these, and I ate 1 of these for dinner, and that was it for the first day. The second day, I ended up drinking 2 of these and had to force the 3rd one down, and then I ended up eating this. For snacking, get you some pumpkin. Great snack to have. Great plant-based protein. These are delicious, you guys. It kind of tastes like sunflower seeds, but a little bit better. Any type of nuts, though. Any type of nuts or like seeds or something like that. But this is good because this is also good for parasites, you guys. So if you get hungry in between the time drinking your detox and you're eating your dinner, these are a great snack. But no sugar, no alcohol, water, detox, and your salad, you guys. That's all you need. I'm going to post my results at the end of this video. I weighed myself before I got started. And make sure when you weigh yourself on that first day that you empty out first and then weigh yourself. So once you empty out, weigh yourself. On that last day, go back to that 3rd day. Well, actually, that morning, the 4th day. I'm sorry, that morning, empty out and weigh yourself again, and that's your end results. I'm gonna post mine at the end of this video, you guys. It's all you need for 3 days. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. And drink plenty of water. You can do it. All in the mind, you guys. If you want to see great results, follow my regimen.